Hey, it's 3 a.m. and I have snuck into Mia's apartment. Here is what I'm going to do. Oh my god, Norway's snoring so loud! Here's what I'll do.
Lukas, aka Norway, how dare you snore really loudly to make my ears bleed? That's it. You're so grounded.
Mia, somebody grounded me for snoring. Really? I did hear you snore so loud last night. I agree with Mia, though I won't ground you. Thanks, you too. Eggman, get over here right now! Ha 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 ha! I grounded Lukas. That's it! I'm calling Sonic! Tails, our fight with the egghead is due, but where is he? Hello? What? Dr. Eggman grounded Lukas for snoring? That's it, I'm grounding him. Sonic, Tails, I'm back! Dr. Eggman, Sonic heard that you grounded Lukas from Hetalia for snoring. Is that really true? Yes, Fox Boy, it is. Oh! Dr. Eggman, how dare you ground Lukas Bondevik aka Norway from Hetalia? That's it! You are grounded until Lukas gets his snoring fixed. Which I can help with. Now go to your room. Hey, it's Mia. This week's theme for 7 Awesome Ladies is Grounded. I hope you enjoyed this video, and now I have a question for you. Do you like Beyond? Comment down below for your opinion. And I hope you have a super fun Saturday. See you!